Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. In today's video, we're going to be looking at everything that you need to know about DevOps.
DevOps is a combination of two words, development and operations. Previously, both these teams were independent of each other, which often resulted in major issues. For example, it could take more time to release software or provide effective testing. Margaret Lee, General Manager and Senior Vice President of Digital Service Operations Management at BMC, said, "For many big enterprises that have software tools and services operating on the mainframe, cloud, and everything in between, complexity and numerous other dependencies can get in the way of performance and speed. This gives rise to uncertainty and, in a few cases, unintended and unpredicted outcomes." This is where DevOps comes into the picture. But how can DevOps help? Well, it's all about having a more collaborative methodology along with an emphasis on agility. In the DevOps model, development and operations teams are merged into one to increase the speed of delivering products. In addition to speed, there are many benefits for companies that adopt DevOps. This model also increases the release process, ensures application quality, and improves collaboration between different teams. DevOps helps companies make their teams more agile and flexible. One of the best practices for using DevOps is microservices. The cloud-based Amazon Web Services, AWS, follows a microservices architecture. In a microservices architecture, engineering teams will be separated from each other, allowing them to build, test, and deploy their services. This flexibility allows them to fix problems immediately. In this video, we will look at DevOps in detail and explain how it is applied every day by businesses of all sizes. We will address the questions: what is DevOps? How must teams apply this methodology? What are the different tools that teams must use to better manage their software development projects?
As always, if you find this topic interesting, don't forget to let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. You can also let us know if you find it interesting by saying so in the comments section down below. Now let's jump into it.
What is DevOps? Consider a real-world application. It's the first day of a sale and you're on your favorite brand's website. You like a dress you've been meaning to purchase for months. As soon as you add it to your shopping cart the website freezes and no longer responds. After a couple of hours, when you revisit the website, you no longer see the dress available in your size. If there had been proper communication between the development and operational teams, this problem would likely not have occurred. Traditionally, development and operational teams have antagonistic goals. In developer lingo, this is termed the wall of confusion. This means that the development team takes care of everything from building and releasing new functionalities. The operations team looks after the reliability of the application or website. Therefore, the DevOps approach includes having the development and operation teams interact and collaborate on projects to save time on solving problems in a better way, release new functionalities faster, lower risks through process automation, last, but not least, to increase customer satisfaction. To see your business thrive, you need to follow the DevOps process. A case study of DevOps. Wondering what exactly is the DevOps methodology? Well, the DevOps methodology is based on 6 principles: automation, iteration, self-service, continuous improvement, continuous testing, collaboration. To apply these principles, you need to follow 8 steps for every new release and deployment. 1. Plan, schedule tasks and dues for the new software development project. 2. Code, this includes coding and code review. Collaboration with the operations team on the new features is crucial. 3. Build, this consists of building the source code into a format and deploying it in a select space of the infrastructure. This is the initial step towards continuous integration (CI). 4. Test, conduct regular tests and make improvements based on the results. 5. Release, now the code is ready to be deployed, as per results of continuous integration tools. 6. Deploy, automation process with continuous deployment (CD). 7. Operate, develop and maintain a reliable and agile infrastructure, log management, infrastructure as code, and handle security issues. 8. Monitor, the last step is to recognize incidents faster and to fix them quickly through monitoring tools. Continuous integration is a major part of the DevOps process. It is also a way to lower risks and deploy new features faster. This is an excellent way to make the development and operations team complementary, thereby breaking the silos between them. The DevOps challenge: the biggest DevOps challenge associated with the successful implementation of a software application includes outdated IT architecture that is not capable of supporting the new, agile way of development. The need to upgrade the IT infrastructure is relevant to big enterprises that are steeped in legacy, metaphorically, those who would benefit the most from DevOps. Luckily, the business case for IT modernization extends beyond DevOps, and should be one of the major concerns for organizations wanting to compete in the era of IT disruption. The overall tech and business community need to integrate DevOps. Luca Ravazzolo, product manager at InterSystems, said, "As cloud computing evolves, we will see the release of smarter tools that will enable us to follow up DevOps processes with more efficiency and discipline. We have witnessed the same in the past few years with the evolution of cloud offerings, which try to put forth the coding and development of a solution. This will help provide solutions for various issues, including security, testing, and deployment. The bottom line: we are seeing increasing adoption of DevOps across companies of all sizes. Similar to any technology, although DevOps is a methodology, start small and scale up. DevOps is the same as Agile, and businesses should grow on individual terms and then articulate what they've learned so that they have proven knowledge that would lead to experience. Companies do not want the best practice, they want proven knowledge from their teams, structures, infrastructures, and products."
So there we have it, a look at everything that you need to know about DevOps. Once again, if you found this video interesting, don't forget to let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.